I was driving at the second lane turning right, and suddenly, an officer called my attention. He informed me that I violated road signage, since the second lane must go straight instead of turning right. So I just told the officer to issue me a ticket and kept saying that he could have just given me my license through bargaining, but I insisted. Left turn is never allowed in that area, even though that the map with the road signage shows left turn is allowed. Remember? The officer said that I violated turning right through the second lane. Here's what I was trying to contest. The ticket shows that my violation was code S17. Obstruction, failure to apply signal light upon turning left. Clearly it was different from the one he told me earlier. I politely asked the officer to have it changed. His answer was really the most impolite and dumbest I have ever heard from an officer. Again, he said turning left, but I just turned right. Check out the video I recorded while talking to him.
Pakipalitan, mukhang hindi po ito yung violation ko po.
Ayan po yung violation.
Hindi po. Nag-signal light po ako. Ang violation ko po kasi sabi niyo po wrong lane po ako. Pwede pakipalitan na lang
Ay,
po.
doon na po sa opisina po.
Hindi po. Hindi ko po papayag, sir. Kasi pwedeng i-video ko po ngayon. Kasi ang violation ko po, ang sabi niyo po sa akin, mali ako ng lane.
Opo, mali nga po ng lane.
Pero ang nilagay niyo, hindi po. Failure to apply signal light. Nag-signal light po ako, sir. Sir?
Dito lang po tayo sa opisina kung gusto nyo.
Sir, ano po ulit yung pangalan
Ayan po
niyo?
yung pangalan ko, Cordero.
Opo,
po.
Cordero
Okay
kompleto po.
Oo.
Sir, ang sabi niyo po na penalty ko po, nasa second lane po ako, sabi niyo. Ngayon, pakipalitan na lang po na
Ay, hindi ko
second
papalitan
lane.
yun. Kung pipilitin mo ko rito, mag-aaway tayo rito, sir.
Hindi
Kasi
sir,
yan ang
baka gusto niyo maging star sa Facebook, sir.
Ha? Nasa
Ha?
sa'yo yan. Eh, may ano tayo ngayon.
Ano po?
May cyber libel.
Wala po, hindi po yun. Kasi ano po.
karapatan mo yan. Sige,
Sir,
gawin
ang
mo.
gusto ko lang naman po,
Gawin
palitan
mo
niyo
yung gusto
sir
mo,
eh.
Gawin mo yung gusto mo, sir.
Sir, palitan niyo na lang
tayo,
po.
may attorney naman nung kami. Kita na lang tayo sa korte kung gagawin mo yan.
Sige po. Good luck sir ha.
Okay,
Thank you.